So this video is to show how to reset a lockout. In this example, we disconnected our igniter.
So therefore, the unit went into a lockout, and up here it's going to tell you that the burner 1 HSI, hot surface ignition, has failed.
However, you may have additional lockouts such as a high limit or something of that nature.
So in this case, in order to reset, we reconnected or replace our hot surface igniter, and then with your blower off, then you can just simply hit the reset button.
And Kevin, why did you say with the blower off?
The reset will not work during a post-purge time. If you happen to be there right after the fault has occurred, you have to wait for the blower to finish its post-purge before it'll reset.
Okay, so we're right now, Kevin has reset the control. We're in standby, so boiler 1 is in standby, stage 1's off, 2's off, and blower's off. We will enable or give the boiler another call for heat. Again, now the igniter's been replaced, or in our case, we just reconnected the igniter. And the boiler now will go into a pre-purge, and you'll see your blower 1 is at high speed. We're getting rid of any residual flue gases in the chamber. Now you're in hot surface ignition warm-up period.
Now the ignition is starting, so stage 1 has opened its gas valve. That means it's now saying it's running, which means it has sensed the flame, and it'll begin to time out for stage 2. Stage 2 will come on based on the temperature and timing settings that you entered into the configure screen for staging.
Also, here in the symbol you can see our flame patterns. So now we're up to 100%. When I first pointed it out, we were at 50%. So there's going to be different values of your flame pattern
based on your staging. So now you can see stage 2 is also on, and this is a 2-stage unit, so it's firing at full 100% capacity.
So being a 2-stage unit, it would have either been 50% or 100%. Now we've got an inlet temperature and an outlet temperature. Here's our system temperatures for our system. Our outdoor air temperature, because we do have an outdoor sensor hooked up, is registering 85 degrees. We've actually put our warm weather shutdown, elevated that temperature for this example. So that was a simple video of how to resolve a lockout. If you have any questions, please refer to the manual first.